A funny story is that my wife and I, we love giraffes. So we got this as a present. We said, oh, it looks really nice. It is metal, but we were really not sure why it has a very long neck right here. Apparently, it's a tissue paper holder. So one thing nice about this is we like giraffes, so it's a good decorative piece. But you can also put two toilet papers here. It's made out of, I would say, metal, an iron construction. It is very sturdy and very durable. If you do not want to use it in your bathroom, you can definitely use this giraffe as a decorative piece.